A unicorn is a business that has a valuation of over $1 billion rather than pounds. At the time that Gymshark got unicorn status, which was in August 2020, it was actually valued at $1.4 billion, so 1.1 billion pounds. But the other fairly unique thing about Gymshark is that a lot of fast-growing companies have to go and borrow money, raise venture capital, etc., to grow the business. Gymshark was actually only the second company in the United Kingdom that had got to unicorn status without having to raise any external capital, because it actually has an extremely simple business model. I do simplify it a lot, but it is a simple business model. We designed gymwear, we had it manufactured, we put it into a warehouse or warehouses, sold it online. You don't sell on credit. So if you get your margins right and you get the pricing right, then you'll be cash generative. So you don't need to raise funds. So that was the interesting thing. That was the great thing about the business model, and that's how it expanded. And it resonated with our demographics, the market that we wanted to target, the community, which was 16 to 30-year-olds who, when I was their age, you finished work, you went to the pub. A lot of them, they're a bit more health conscious and they'll go to the gym. So the gym became their way of socializing together. Yeah. And they wanted to go out and they wanted a nice gym. And it was good stuff. It was different. And in particular for men who like to bodybuild, Ben designed, because he was doing the design, doing everything at first with Lewis, that he designed the stringer vests and things like Arnold Schwarzenegger would have worn at Gold's Gym in LA, and so it just worked.